This is Wind River Canyon in, somewhere northwestern, north central Wyoming. We're on our way up to Cody. That's Bootang back there again, mouthy. Don't know why she started doing that, but now she wanted to be quiet. Those walls have got to be 1,000 feet, maybe 2, 3, who knows? They're up there. Just came through 3 tunnels, which is pretty cool. Wow, look at those mountains. Should be coming out of the canyon here pretty quick. Yep, there it is. It was pretty, absolutely pretty in there. See you in a little bit. Hi, good morning, everybody. Coming to you from Cody, Wyoming. Up there you can see Bear Company Tires and More. So as you know, I got the front end of the truck pretty much rebuilt. And we got to Oregon, up at Crater Lake, and I noticed that the right front wheel looked a little low. I was counting the tread on the very bottom that was in contact with the ground. The right side I had 6, the left side I had 4. So I found out that the tire was 20 pounds low. And to add to that, the truck from 55 miles an hour to about 65 miles an hour, the front end would shake unmercifully in my hand. The steering wheel would just, it's bad. Now, to be fair, when I got the truck repaired, it was because this outside tread right here was really being eaten to the right, and it was terrible. And now it doesn't do that, which is good. However, I lost a hub. Well, I didn't lose a hubcap, it broke. However, aired the tire up, and I was just curious. I wanted to take the hubcap off because it was squeaking and rattling. And I got my lug wrench out to pop the center cap off to get the inner hub cap off. And in doing so, I figured, you know what, well, I got this out. Why don't I see how tight these lug nuts are? So somewhere between 130 and 140 foot-pounds is what those lug nuts are supposed to be torqued at. I put the lug wrench on there and actually spun it with one hand. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. So, both front wheels were completely loose, which didn't help matters at all. But at the same time, the lug nuts were loose, but the tires weren't going anywhere, if that makes sense. So I retorqued them with my torque wrench, 130 foot-pounds, 136 foot-pounds. I went halfway on them. It took some of the wobbling out of the front, but I think at some point, one of these wheels, I think it lost one of the weights, so I have a wheel out of balance. So we're gonna get those balanced this morning, and then the tires all rotated. That is the plan. Anyway, it's gotta love, you know, I pay a lot of money for the tires, and I want them to last. So we're gonna get them fixed, get them checked out. Now you notice on this left front tire here, the outside tread's always gonna go a little bit round. And by that I mean it's gonna go like this. And the reason for that is because, you know, your tires are turning. The inside does it a little bit as well. And it feels like there's a little bit of cupping on both of them on the inside. But the right side tire has done it a little bit more, but we stopped that by getting the tires repaired. We're getting that front end fixed, so that's good. Save the tire. You'll notice that like the back tires are flat edge, so that front tire you're probably going to go to the inside right here on both sides, and then that inside or this outside will go up front, and then inside will move out, and so on. So we're going to get them rotated. I'm very fortunate with this truck that I only have to replace the tires every 2 years. It does very well. It doesn't eat them up at all, which surprised me. So that's a good thing. All right, so here we are. We are in beautiful Cody, Wyoming. Unbelievable. This is the first day since we've done our westward swing out to California. But there is absolutely no smoke in the air. That's a nice mountain range right here in Cody. Back to the left over here, which you'll be able to see later on because I'm going to film it. There is an opening through the mountain ranges, and I'm going to be shooting some of that. I'm telling you what, this is beautiful. If it wasn't so far away from our grandkids and our kids, we're 5.5 hours from Cheyenne. If it wasn't so far from our grandkids and our kids, I would absolutely consider moving to this town. It is stunningly beautiful. Seems like the people are nice too, what I've noticed. But anyway, yeah, here we are. We're at Bear Co. And they told me to get here before 7, be the first one in, first one out. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, we'll see you guys on the next clip. All right, so Big Earn is in. We're gonna get them balanced and rotated. We'll see what test drives like this done. Only been here at Bear Co for about 10 minutes, and they're already putting the tires back on. Maybe a little longer, but it takes time to do things. They're already putting the tires on. Awesome. Looks like one of those train trucks where they go on tracks. That looks weird without that outside door on the back. Rebalancing all the tires, so looking good, looking good. Should be out of here shortly. I'm happy. So we are in Cody, Wyoming. We're leaving tomorrow. We are about 50 miles east of Yellowstone National Park, the east entrance, and this is actually Yellowstone Airport down below us. But this is what Cody, Wyoming looks like from up high. Now, according to the signs, the population is like 10,069. Once you go down into the town, it is unbelievably big for only 10,000 people. They even have a car dealership. I mean, You got car, I mean, one car dealership sells Rams, Fords, Jeeps, Toyota, everything. So if you have that many vehicles for sale, is 10,000 really the population? I'm gonna have to look it up and find out. But I mean, look at this, isn't it beautiful? We went downtown, I fell in love, as soon as we got in town, I fell in love with this place. It was just, if it wasn't so far from everywhere, this would be a great place to live. It was just absolutely gorgeous. So over there, you see the gap in the mountains right there. That goes west. So we're on the east side of town, but that gap goes west to, this is where it goes west to the entrance of Yellowstone. The other thing is that when you down here, I'll pan really slow here so you don't get sick and throw up. Over here, right over there, there's a road that goes right there. You have to go down that road where those cars are over there in the distance. Right there's the road. You have to go down past the airport, through town, go back across this part of town, come down this way, and then go over there to the road that just leads straight to it. Friendly city in Wyoming. I drove by his face, you can't park there. Alright, we'll see you later. Got some local artwork. That's pretty cool. We're walking downtown Cody, and there's some coolness. I really like this 60 frames per second video. This is cool. We're gonna come down to Main Street down here.
This says Colonel Cody's Wild West Emporium. What are you doing? Wild West Emporium.
Ah, don't touch my phone. What's wrong with you? That's not allowed on YouTube. Now I have to delete the video and start it all over.
Well, we shouldn't have been doing it then.
You're part of the Rolling Hills. You should be accepting of this. Yep. Yep. So this is Main Street, or part of one of the main streets in downtown Cody. Nice truck.
Me and my grandpa, so we should go see him.
Somebody who doesn't want to be part of the video is speaking, so this is looking down the other end. Kind of can't really see all that stuff down there. Learned a lot of stuff. Okay, let's go over here. You're in my picture, miss.
I don't care.
We'll just wait. Yellowstone gift shop. Very cool. I bet you I got shirts here my size.
Remember this store and I'll come back. Thank you.
Place is big. All right, so I'm gonna put this down so I can actually look at stuff. I'm looking at the natural born shopper in her own environment. Follow around, try not to spook her. If you spook her, she gets mad. Look away. Pretend she can't see you. We got some huckleberry ice cream, both of us. Now we're headed back to the truck because about a quarter of it. We're heading back to camp before it freezes. Cowboy hat story. Cody, Wyoming is very popular in the summer. Here's the first. We got cowboys out wrangling, but the highway is stopped because of all the cows that are on the road. That is really cool. Oh, looks like I got a couple calves. Nope, those are dogs in the back there. The dogs are helping too. That is so cool. So we're on our way back to Cheyenne. We just left Cody at the KOA there. The KOA is absolutely fantastic, just like the whole city of Cody is. We're happy to be there, and we cannot wait to go back. All right, looks like they're getting ready to let us go here. So you can see all the cows over there. It's about as far in as I can zoom right now. But pretty cool. I'm gonna try to hold my phone and not get arrested at the same time. Up, up, up. There's a calf. He got out. The calf, he just bolted across the road. The dogs are after him. Now that bad boy is running. It was funny. Oh, there he goes. He's going across the road. Those dogs got that calf and pushed him right across the road. Look at that.
There's a dog laying down in the middle. Oh, it was.
Yeah, he's blocking traffic. Oh, there's another one going back across. You're witnessing real cowboying right there. They are cowboying up.
Did they get the one that went across?
No, not yet. No, not yet. He's still out there somewheres.
No, they got her.
Oh, here it comes. Always one. Always one.
No, that was two.
He is.
Those dogs know what they're doing.
Yes, they do. They're corralling them all.
Are you gonna move forward, honey?
Yes, is it okay? Looks like we are on the way. I'm gonna give the phone to Kathy, see if she can get some footage up a little closer to cowboys and everything. Zoomed in all the way.
You are?
Yeah. Police officers on the side of the road, so I'm just gonna move over a little bit here.
I know.
Okay, you are now. You are now. Yes, you are. Oh, there's... Okay, so I'm going to do a little RV tech tip to add to this video. So everybody that hasn't done this already should, and that's get one of these gate valves right here. They don't come with your RV, so you get one of these, because if you don't and you just put a cap on the pipe back here, when you get to your campground, the valves for the tanks inside the camper always leak. And you take the cap off and you could drop poo on yourself or whatever else. These gate valves are that stop point between the nastiness and your desire. So here's a tech tip. It's tech tip 2, I guess. If you look, I broke the handle off. So I almost went out and bought a brand new valve for $27 to replace this because the handle broke. But what I didn't know is that they make replacement handles that are metal and they're threaded. So when I tried to twist this off to see if it was screwed on there to start with, the whole cylinder was turning, which made me believe that this was like heated up and this was pressed on. It's not. This is great. It's threaded on. Well, we're going to see if this new one fits. It's made by Valterra, who makes the valve, and the replacement knob is metal. And that looks like it's going to be a done deal. I try to do this one-handed here. That's it. She's on there tight. And that is your tech tip for today. That's awesome. I love it. So $5, $5 at Camping World, $5. Yep. Replacement handle. Plastic, metal. Sweet.